Good morning. TurboOptionTrading.com is going to talk about the week ahead for the stock market. We have new programs that are being released. We have given our predictions. You can follow along. I would follow the indexes. Everything is updated. The bull rally for the end of September was strong in the worst month, but they're coming down, and I know that. And this is the time that you get to be in on it. And when you look at free stock plays, I talk about the bull and the NASDAQ 100 futures hitting all-time highs in the worst calendar month in September. That is the stock market for you. That's why we bring to you all the programs that are to benefit the lower dollar trader, the people that don't have the money to open a stock account, but they want to be invested. I don't blame them. That's why I have the program. You're willing to take that step. All you have to do is call me at 503-753-0062. Once again, when we bring everything to you, we cover every area of the market, and we do. And there's a major update to this website. Focus on the indexes. Focus on the index videos of what I said. Focus on the fact that the bull has ran the course. Focus on buy now, pay later. 90-day option trades, new buy now, pay later. I'm the only one. I don't have to worry about you trying to shop me because they don't have the program. I have the program, and it's live right now, but it's going officially on the site live. We have a few little things, but turbo option trading for the week ahead is going to be challenging for the stock market nonetheless. Be aware, stay invested.